So now you can see that we've got our horizontal tracks up and we've got them propped temporarily in position just now. And in doing this, this has allowed us to check the dimension from here, the far corner, which is the diagonal, and from that diagonal to that one, and making sure that they're exactly the same. Those are the dimensions that will tell you if you have got your tracks in the right position. If it's not the same figure, then there is something that is wrong. What we'll then do is, we will then put the strap here to pick up the extending bar here. And what we'll then do is, as you can see there's another door going to go in here, we'll pick up the horizontal track on the same extension bar, and we've got a really neat installation method at this point here. Obviously we'll trim down the brackets, etc. So that's how we're going to finish off here. We then have to put our horizontal track, our curve in, our horizontal connection from the horizontal to the vertical. This is going to go here. And the final part that we mustn't forget is the T20 fixing. Remember we put the one in earlier on in the half moon that allowed us to lift it up? Well, this one here allows us to lock it off, and that's nice and simply put in up there. So when we're complete here, we're going to have our tracks level. You can see here with the level, the spirit level. We've checked our diagonals, they're the same. So we're going to have tracks that are going to be running perfectly for the door. And if you remember earlier on, it's crucial about getting these in correctly as well. So what we've got now is the perfect track system to allow the panels to open. And that's what we're going to move on to in a minute to do the panels.